Honor 75G launch date is set to be October 17, 2022. The mobile will be available in various of color variants. Let's talk about the specification of this phone. The smartphone has a 6.67-inch screen with 1080 by 2400 OLED display. The display panel has a pixel density of 395 pixels per inch and a 20:9 aspect ratio, ppi. An octa-core Snapdragon 778G Plus processor with a built-in 5G modem powers the Honor 75G. The device's Adreno 642L GPU and 8GB of RAM enable outstanding gaming performance. The smartphone has 256GB of internal storage but no option for additional storage. The smartphone features a triple camera configuration with a 54 megapixels primary sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 16 megapixels secondary sensor, a macro lens with 2 megapixels. A 32 megapixels wide-angle camera with an f/2.4 aperture is included for taking selfies. The Honor 75G is powered by a 4800 mAh Li polymer battery and enables 66W fast charging with a USB Type-C connector. The Honor 75G smartphone offers a face unlock feature that uses the selfie camera and an on-screen fingerprint sensor. On the right side of the smartphone, the power button and volume rocker keys are arranged in a row. Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, infrared, and a 3.5mm audio connector are just a few of the connectivity options available on the device. What do you consider this smartphone to be? Please leave a comment in the section below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel in order to receive notifications of my new videos. I appreciate you watching my video.